Hello everyone, welcome to day 5 of my January vlog series. Today I'm going hiking with my good friend Kayla and we're meeting here at this Angel and Mouse Cafe. You're on camera, say hi.
Look how cute.
We're about to go hike.
We're here, but there's two directions that we can go when we go all the way up. But I think we'll just walk.
Okay.
Just walking.
Let's see where the day takes us.
Hi!
Hi.
Hello, pose with me.
Americano. Look at that, check it. Come closer. We got our Mu등san hoodie at Mu등san. Yeah.
I get with you. And with your Kayla.
Do you want a shot with it or you okay?
Okay, sure.
Our girl Kayla, yes, get a girl.
I actually convinced you to come out.
I know. I'm so sorry, boo. But I did it. I did
Sure.
it. We outside. We outside.
We're exploring the nature.
So we need those sticks.
You do not need those.
Are you sure? No, they look like hikers.
So this one here is like the easy flat road.
This way?
For the most part.
Is this another path?
And then another path, and then over here it does have like another split too.
Wow, you really know this place.
I think so, girl. Don't quote me on it. You want to go through that way?
Okay. How do we go? Like,
It's right there.
Okay. Let's try. Yeah, let's try anyway. Okay.
That's a big step. Huzzah! I'm Camelot's wife,
Yes!
King Arthur. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hello, sexy.
Hi, girl.
We hiking.
Yeah. Yeah, our first steps.
I can't with you. Smile.
Thank you for this. This was good.
Right?
Yeah.
I wonder what's gonna be on the top.
How far do you think you have from the top?
God. I'll just walk until we get tired.
This is a nice rest.
안녕하세요.
네. 안녕하세요.
It's funny how older people, like a lot of the hajimas, can make it way up.
Yeah. No, the ajushis are strong, bro. Welcome to the jungle. Lord help us all. Kayla, wait! Kayla, can you hear me?
I know you're there.
Please wait for me.
I am waiting.
You're walking a little too fast.
Or just too long legs.
It's hard to keep up with you.
So pretty. So pretty, so clean.
So precious, so clean. We hiking out, chill.
Pop, pop, pop.
We see a sign, Paramje.
Con tanto amor me diste tú.
Oh.
Se marchitó, me largó hoy. Yo sé perder, pero ay, como me duele.
Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful. We're taking the easy way down. That's a natural, bro.
It is natural.
Look at this. Wow, look at the beautiful view.
Amazing.
No, I'm shy. Oh, look at that view.
I'm not gonna break y'all. Like, you have to also jump a little bit. Right here. Yeah. Wait, do it, jump. I'm laughing too hard. Jump. Okay, ready? Okay.
And we're done. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. I see why people hike. I see it now. I get it. I get it.
I love the little hint of snow in the
Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. Wow.
Now this is clear.
And now we go down. All right. 천천히. It's cold. Like glove, scarf. It's cold now. Doing this. Oh, the sun is coming now. The sun doesn't even feel like it's doing anything, to be honest. It's not. It's so cold.
It's a little garnish.
Not a garnish. Made it. That's the exit. Right now. We made it. Yeah. Yeah.
I can't wait.
We made it back to the starting position, and now we wait for.
마시게요.
감사합니다. 맛있겠다. Where'd you get the chopsticks from?
Right here.
Almost done. Thanks, Kayla, for today. You made hiking super fun. And thank you all for watching. See you tomorrow.